Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to automatically update copyright year on your Wix website. Now, this is very simple to do. All you have to do is you will have to put in one code. So yeah, if you're tech savvy, this is for you. If you're not tech savvy, just follow along and I will show you how to do it. So first of all, go to developer mode, make sure to enable developer mode here. This will enable developer mode. Scroll down until you see this text right here, which is basically your copyright year on your Wix website, right? And here you'll need to paste a code. So let's paste the code. This is basically a code. You can put this code, you can pause the video and try to put this code on your own website. Now here where it says footer copyright, we actually want to delete that and we want to go hashtag and then put the hashtag of this, which is text12, right? So text12 and then click here. And then that's pretty much it, right? This code will just click run. And this code will basically run on its own, as you can see. And as you can see, this is how it will look like. 2023, your company name, right? You can obviously change that. Proudly created with Wix.com, right? So again, we can remove proudly created with Wix.com if we want. So we can go back to our editor here. And we can basically go here and delete this and just put the company name, which is going to be our company name, for example. And then we can click run. And that should, or should not, yeah, that should, as you can see, 2023. Again, this is basically how to do it and how to automatically update copyright year on your Wix website. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.